If the skin in your underarms is dark, you want to get rid of it. So we need to get rid of the cause. What is the thing which is causing this darkness? So what can be the causes is, a very common cause is change in the hormones. Like normally it can happen in pregnancy. Abnormally it can happen with hormonal changes as in PCOS or with insulin resistance, a condition called as acanthosis nigricans, where the skin becomes in the folds, especially like in underarms and inner thighs, becomes dark and velvety. So here you eliminate the cause and the pigmentation will not increase further. Another important cause can be chronic injury to the skin. Wherever there is chronic injury to the skin reacts to pigment or pigment gets deposited. So here we need to eliminate the cause. Here in the case of underarms, the chronic injury can be because of the ill-fitting clothes, or it can be because of detergents which is often left in the clothes after washing, or it could be because of regular use of deodorants or antiperspirants or perfumes, or sometimes if people regularly scrub their underarms, they can develop darkness or pigmentation in the underarms. So eliminate these causes and the pigmentation will not increase further. To reduce the pigmentation which has already happened, we need to use some exfoliating creams containing glycolic or salicylic acid or other peeling agents, and we need to use some depigmenting creams to reduce the pigmentation which has already happened. If we want to fasten the results, then we can add some treatments like chemical peels or lasers to get better results. So if you have darkness of the skin in the underarms, visit your dermatologist so that he or she is able to find out the cause and treat it accordingly. Thank you.